I'm going to open the to-go box which we sent here in Manila when we transferred from the province. So ito po yun. Imagine, since we arrived, I never had the chance to open this box, you know. So I'm going to unbox it today and check what I tried to bring. Just a moment. Okay, let's try to open this up because this was kept here in the bodega. Okay. Because I didn't have a chance actually. When we arrived from the province, I started working right away. Now in the new school, where I found a new job right away. Tapos 2 years po ako doon nagtrabaho. Wala na. Wala chance to open all of these. Let's try. What is this? What is this? Oh my goodness. Documents. What are these? Okay. Wow, meron pa shopping board. Talagang nilagyan ng chopping board. This one is our, oh my goodness, I still have some jewelries here. Wow. Alright. Imagine that. Wow. Okay. Alright, so anyway. Okay, next. Some documents I was looking for. Alright. So these are what I got. Okay, I have this coin box, cash box. And then here are some books that I brought from the province. Inside I got this. Okay. But the things that I was looking for is actually not here. What are those? Ay, they are actually the tapes. I need the tapes. What kind of tapes are those? Yung tapes for the Nintendo so that my daughter can play. But I did not find any. They are not here anymore. I don't know where they went. Hanapin po natin yung mga Nintendo. Ano yan? Okay. Okay. I unearthed our footwear. Ayan, may footwear pa, oh. Ang dami. May slippers pa nga. Meron pa akong okay, ito pong golden okay, shoes. Blingy shoes. And this. Oh, look at that. So, which means okay, we can live about a year or more without buying new things because these are actually still new and good. Oh, shoes, footwear nga po eh. Ayan, oh. So, wow. Goodness. Okay. So, let's try to open this bag which I got from there. Let's see. Okay. Documents, and I don't know what these are, but I'm sure they are actually important because I brought them from the province. Imagine that. My daughter's materials. Okay. I also unboxed this, yung Nintendo and the TV. Imagine we still have lots of things here. Okay. Costumes. Okay, with the unboxing, I was able to open all of these old things, curtains, bed covers, old t-shirts, this stuffed toy, bed covers, ano pa ba? Office wear. And Ayan po, ginamit ko na yung bed cover at nandiyan na yung stuffed toy. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.